Hi everyone. Today I am at the Hotel Senses. This is the Lukwa, which is a rooftop poolside kind of lounge. Swimming pool is downstairs, which I'll show you in a while. Right now I'm enjoying the view of the city. You can see the entire city from here, and it's a beautiful view from here. You can see the skyline. You can see almost the whole city. By the way, this Hotel Senses is in Salt Lake if you're interested in knowing. And let me take you around to the whole place. Come. There is a swimming pool. We'll go downstairs and then we'll see it. And there's one more floor up. Let's go there. Come. Hot, sunny afternoon, but it's quite better than the usual weather that we have in Kolkata. It's so pretty, it's so nice. I'm here for the first time and I'm already falling in love with the place. Wow. Normally in Kolkata you don't get to see this kind of view all over. So all you lovely people, now I'm going to share with you how I achieved this easy minimalistic makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy watching. To start off, I've used the primer from Lakme Absolute and I have applied the primer all over my face and I've blended it using my fingers. Next, I've used L'Oreal Paris Infallible foundation and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck area using my damp beauty blender. I've used Milani concealer to cancel out the darkness around my eye area, and it is a very creamy concealer, gives a very good coverage too. Next, I've used some loose powder from PAC and I'll be using it to set the concealer in place. I'll be contouring my face using this Wet n Wild Mega Contouring Palette, and I'm going to contour the usual areas of my face, on the hollows of my cheeks, around the perimeters of my face, and on my jawline. I'll also contour my nose using that same brown shade. Next, I've taken L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow palette and I'll be taking that light shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it all over the eyelid area, not going beyond the crease line, and I'll blend it using a blending brush. I'll also apply that eyeshadow onto my lower lash line. Next, I've taken that pale white shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'll be applying that around my brow bone area. I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Brow Kit to fill the gaps in my brows and make my eyebrows look well defined. I'll be taking L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar Mascara. First, I'll be coating my eyelashes with the white primer that comes in the mascara tube, and then I'll be applying the black mascara on top of the primer. I'll be using this bronzer from L'Oreal Paris to bronze up my face a little bit. I've taken this red lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. The shade is Pure Garnet and I'm going to apply the lipstick all over my lip area. I've taken this blush from Colorbar and I'm going to apply that onto the apples of my cheeks and then I'm going to blend it upwards. I've taken the highlighter from Freedom and I'm going to highlight the usual areas of my face using this highlighter. I'll also apply a little bit of the highlighter onto the inner corners of my eyes using a cotton bud. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. So this is the place and this is the topmost point of the restaurant and you can enjoy the view from here. It's awesome. You can see concrete jungle all over here and the food that was served over here was quite decent. I loved it. I'm definitely going to enjoy this place sometime in the evening. I'll visit this place soon. I hope I get time. If you want to see more videos like this, stay updated and don't forget to check my next video. It will be on another awesome place in Kolkata. Right now I am signing off and see you next time. Till then, bye.